I wish I had this when I scraped my car like twice already. Have you guys ever scraped the bottom of your bumper in your car? It's like the worst feeling in the world. I hate that noise. So today I'm actually going to be getting my Tesla Model S protected by getting under bumper protection installed here at Clear Film in Roswell, Georgia with my new friend Murad. So Sliplo is an under bumper protection device for your car that you can get installed. And about how long does it take to actually install this?
So the install process about 30-45 minutes roughly. 30
to 45 minutes, that's not bad. So you just come in and you get a professional to actually install this underneath your car, and bam, you have protection for, you know, the bottom part of your bumper of your car, which oftentimes gets scraped. You're going up a steep incline. This comes in really, really handy because that's generally a place where you might scrape the bottom of your car, and I've done it at least twice in this car. So hopefully this is gonna help protect it from future incidents like that occurring again.
This scrape could have been prevented had you had the Sliplo product installed here.
Oh yeah, that's bad. If only I had the Sliplo back then. So tell us a little bit about the product. So this is pretty new, right?
It is.
Yeah.
It's Dean at Sticker City in LA introduced it to us.
Yeah.
So if you're looking PPF for this product in LA, go to Sticker City. He introduced it to us, and we saw the immediate benefit of having this on your car because we've seen a ton of cars with paint protection film that end up getting scraped just because the paint protection film is not thick enough to give you that extra protection that you need against a scrape.
Yeah.
And this is where that product comes in handy.
Oh yeah, this product is going to come in really, really handy. I'm really excited to have this, especially because, you know, I mean, I'm a good driver. But, you know, I make mistakes every now and then, as you can see, like I had 2 scrapes on the bottom. So this is definitely going to come in handy for me, and I definitely think a lot of you guys can benefit from this, especially people with like sports cars, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely, yeah. Low front end vehicles definitely need this. Yeah.
See, my car is really low to the ground, so, you know, it's very likely that I am going to scrape my car when I am going over steep inclines. So it's really, really good to have. All right, so we got the Sliplo installed, and then next up, we're going to actually take you to the mastermind behind the Sliplo product, and for that, we are headed to Los Angeles, California to meet Dean from Sticker City. Okay, so if you guys follow the channel, then in the last video, you know that I introduced you to Dean from Sticker City, and he told us all about how you can get paint protection for your car out here in Cali. And he also introduced me to a really cool new product of his, which is called Sliplo, which is basically under bumper protection for your car. So tell us a little bit about the Sliplo and what it does for a Tesla, for example.
So over the years, we've had obviously thousands and thousands of cars, and we see a problem that keeps developing over and over again. So we said, okay, there's really no real universal solution. That's where the Sliplo was, how it was developed, is how do we prevent any car to have a protection piece to go underneath. And this polyurethane is what actually takes like let's say you're going out of the driveway, it does curb, like let's say you hit a curb on a parking, this actually takes the impact instead of your bumper. So what we've seen over the years is as bumpers keep hitting it over and over and over, forget the scratching that just develops underneath. And you know that cringy feeling that you get every day, you go, oh,
I am very familiar with that.
My car just got hurt.
Good driver.
Forget the scratching and the paint getting removed off of that, but we've also been seeing a lot of cracks developing and going up towards the visual part of the bumper as well.
So it doesn't just stop there, like it keeps on getting worse.
Because imagine you hit that same part over and over and over again, eventually the problem arises, and now you got to get either a new bumper or you gotta have to find a really good body shop to kind of fix something like that. But
nobody wants that, especially not with a Tesla, because we know that can take a while.
Yeah, but that's where that's where it's really protecting you. It's another form of protection for your bumper. Yeah.
Very cool. And is this product out now?
It's available right now. You go to sliplo.com. There are professional installers that could actually apply this now.
Yeah, I think that's really cool. And we actually saw somebody install it on the Tesla Model 3. So we have it right here if you want to take a closer look. So this is the finished product with the Sliplo installed. I think everybody needs this on their car.
That's right.
Well, thank you so much, Dean, for again showing us one of your very cool products here.
It's been a joy. Are you kidding me?
Yes. So make sure you come out and see Dean at Sticker City. Definitely give them your information. Tell them how they can find you.
If you want the Sliplo product, go to sliplo.com. You can find all the contact information and referrals, as in who you could actually go for the installation.
Now you could get it installed professionally, or you could go online to sliplo.com and get the DIY kit and install it yourself. It's one size fits all, designed to fit any bumper, and it's drill-free application. You just stick it on and go. If you use my coupon code HeyAshley15, you'll get 15% off your entire order plus free worldwide shipping. All right, thanks again, and see you guys next week for a new video.